Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Wave have a mobile app? I've been getting a lot of questions about this lately, and I'm happy to finally be able to give you a definitive answer. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Wave is. Wave is a new social media platform that's designed to help you connect with your friends and family. It's a lot like Facebook, but with a few key differences. For starters, Wave is focused on real-time communication. This means that you can use it to chat with your friends, make video calls, and even watch live streams. Wave also has a number of unique features that make it stand out from the crowd. For example, you can use Wave to create your own personalized newsfeed. This means that you'll only see the content that you're interested in. Wave also has a built-in messaging system that allows you to send and receive encrypted messages. This is a great way to stay in touch with your friends and family, even if you're offline. So, now that you know a little bit about Wave, let's get back to the question at hand. Does Wave have a mobile app? The answer is yes. Wave has a mobile app that's available for both iOS and Android devices. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've downloaded the app, you can sign in with your existing Wave account or create a new one. Once you're logged in, you can start using the app to connect with your friends and family. Here are some of the things you can do with the Wave mobile app. Chat with your friends and family, make video calls, watch live streams, create your own personalized newsfeed, send and receive encrypted messages, and much more. I've been using the Wave mobile app for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with it. It's a great way to stay connected with my friends and family, even when I'm on the go. I highly recommend that you check out the Wave mobile app if you're looking for a new way to stay connected with your loved ones. In addition to the mobile app, Wave also has a website that you can use to access your account. The website is a great way to manage your account and stay up to date on the latest news from Wave. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.